Hello, my name is Becky. I introduce the food. First, I introduce 엽떡. 엽떡 is abbreviation to 엽기 떡볶이. Its price is not too expensive, 9,000 to more. Taste is delicious and spicy. They separate three types of food. Rosé, black soybean sauce, original. It can go with friends or family. It's good because spicy level is many and tteokbokki is very chewy and delicious with cheese. Inside is very cool and table is very many. Second, it's Roteria. Price is very cheap and good quality. Burger is very crunchy and creamy. Type is very many. Example, burger, shrimp, juice, and so many. It can go family or friends, also alone. It's good because many types of food and it's very cheap. Its inside is very cold and clean, also very cheap, and big restaurant. Third, it's smartang. Its price is different what you choose. If you choose many ingredients, it's expensive, but if your ingredients small, it's cheap. It tastes creamy and spicy and hot. It types of three. Example, maratang, kovaro, and marashango. It can go with friend and family. It's good because spicy level is very many and we can choose ingredients. It's inside cold and clean. Last one is shaved ice. Its price is really expensive. It tastes it fresh and cold and sweet. It have many types of shaved ice. Example, mango, strawberry, blueberry. You can go with friends and family. It's good because cold and many types. It inside is clean and very big. Thank you for listening. These are my favorite restaurants.